Question number 16. Right. A cylinder of copper with diameter D and length L has a resistance R. Okay, see, when L, D and R are all given, use the formula R is equal to rho L divided by A. So what is this now? This is rho, this is L divided by area. Area, this one, if this is D, what we'll do is I'll take radius to be R over here. So which will be easy for me. Okay, I'll take pi R square. Okay, and then what is the resistance of a copper cylinder with diameter 2D? Now next one, R2 is equal to same copper only, right? So therefore diameter 2D, which means, and length 2L, length is 2L divided by 2. When diameter is 2D, radius should also be 2R. So this should be pi into, how much is it? 2R the whole square, which should be 2 rho L divided by 4 pi R square. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, which should be 1 by 2 into rho L divided by pi R square. What is rho L by pi R square? R. So this should be R by 2, right? Simple. So answer is B over here. Okay.